How to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So if you want to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram. And to do this, you'll need to have a friend or a second or third Instagram account. So what you need to do is just go with the DMs, which is on the upper right. And you just need to simply go with the pencil shaped icon, which is again on the upper right, and create a group chat with the person that has blocked you. So you can go with the second account or third account, and then you need to add yourself and the other person that has blocked you. So for example, I'll be choosing 2 accounts or 3 accounts. Once you've done that, go with create group chat. Once you've created the group chat, now you can simply write something. And once you've written, you need to simply go back to your account in which you want to unblock yourself. And once you go back to your account, you can go with your message request and you'll find the chat right here under your message request. You can open up the chat, and once you've opened, you'll be able to see the group chat, but you can see the Instagram profile of that person that blocked you, and you can also send them messages, but you cannot fully unblock yourself and see their post and followers. But at least you can send messages to the person that blocked you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.